Hey everyone, welcome back to this Thursday weekly update. Today is Thursday, February the 20th. I want to apologize for no video last week. I was busy with some classes. I could have put one up on Friday, but I kind of wanted to keep it to the Thursday schedule. But yeah, this is a series here from Fort Worth Fabric Studio where we show you little things that we do here. Mostly we just open boxes, but without further ado, let's get right into the video. And that does it for this week. I want to thank you all so much for watching. As per usual, everything you saw in this video that I can find will be linked in the description below. Be sure to click on them links. Like this video if you enjoyed it. Hit the subscribe button with the bell next to it so you get notified when we upload. And we'll see you next week.